Does your sketchbook look like this? Plain and boring. In this video, I'll show you guys how to make your sketchbook interactive. Choose your reference. I've chosen this one.
What the dog doing?
Now start coloring your piece. Be creative and patient with it. Now, using a protractor, measure out how wide you want your spinning piece to be. I recommend it to be smaller than the main piece. Now, draw a small circle in the center of it. We'll be cutting this circle out. Now start coloring your spinning piece. Again, be as creative as you wish. Now cut out all the pieces. Be careful using scissors. And make sure you cut out the circle in the center. Now start making the actual part that spins. Start by drawing a circle and marking out its quarters. Make sure you leave a bit of gap in the center. Cut the circle out as well as the lines you have drawn for the quarter. Again, make sure you leave a bit of gap in the center. Fold the flaps towards the center. Now we assemble. Take all your pieces, which includes the main piece, spinning piece, and the spinner. Fold the opposite flaps of the spinner together and insert these two flaps through the hole we just cut out. Make sure it looks like this: 2 flaps in the front and 2 flaps in the back. Glue the flaps only. Make sure the glue does not leak to any other part. It should be on the flaps itself. Now it starts spinning. Now again, glue the flaps only and paste your main piece on top of the flaps. Glue the floppy parts of your main piece so that it looks neat. Keep spinning the piece as you glue so that it does not stick to the paper. There you go! You have your very own spinning art. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down if I should continue this series or not.